show you how you can cough in a feminine way. So we know that in order to feminize our voices, we need to raise our larynx, but when we cough, we tend to want to lower the larynx. So this is what you can do to practice that raised larynx cough. Keep the tip of your tongue touching the back of the bottom teeth, and then you're gonna open up your mouth and you're gonna do a dry cough while maintaining the position of the tongue. Then, once you find that that's a feminine cough, you close your mouth while trying to imitate the same tongue position. And that's how you can do a feminine cough. Now, if you're interested in learning how to do that or how to feminize your voice, click in the link in bio and sign up for a lesson now.